Good morning, y'all. Welcome to our annual family reunion.
Yeehaw!
All right, this is a special day. We're gathering two very important communities of users.
Great to be back at MBSE, the Cyber Symposium, and the Co-Experience.
This community is our family.
The family is growing every year.
So you see, the community is so diverse, but there is a common point between all these users: the passion,
The learning, the connecting, the networking.
Technology, software that we use, we produce, you use, and you produce.
And more importantly, reconnecting with our community.
This event is your event. A big, big thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you for all the work that you do.